Good morning guys, welcome back in my shed. And I'm still busy on my daughter-in-law, her BMW F800GT. What are we gonna do today? Well, today we're gonna find out if we can repair this one. Take it off and see what's going on. So I would say, come on over and we start. Now guys, watch. It's a bit, yeah, see? Like this. So, let's have a look. First we're gonna see how to get this thing off. I think there are two. Let's see. Okay. One, and then another one is on this side. Okay, cool. There he comes. Have a look if it's the same length. Yes, they are the same length. Now there is a clip cap, see, with two. I'm gonna show you in a moment. Hey, I still have friends. Oh, see, it's this thing. Carefully. Now guys, we have to remove that weight. Weight! Yep, and that's 45. Torx 45. This is according to the manual. Now. Yes, there should be a screw somewhere here. Yes. Over there is a Torx 2, and it's a bigger one. Over there. Yep. Through the handlebar. Noticed on the other side, see, a long one. Yes, then turn it a bit. Oops. Over here are two connectors. Not sure. There are, oops, whoa, there are this one. Take this one away. Hop. See? There. Carefully slide it off. And then in there is a Torx. All the way in. And that separates this one on that one, hopefully. I think. As you can see, there is this Torx. Here I got this. First of all, oh, this is magnetic. It's a bit, but yes, there he comes. Okay. Take it out. Hopefully I can split. Yes, there he comes. There he comes. Watch out, boys. Hop. Good. Oh no. Whew, that was just that fucking sticker. But now, okay, these are the switches. But guys, it isn't broken. Wait a minute. I think I can pry this one off. Oops. Yes. Oops. Now let's have a look. Guys, it wasn't broken. It was always flimsy thing, huh? Hey! Ah, don't worry. Info. Now guys, I took this whole assembly apart because this was very wiggly, but it turns out this is the way it works. It is, yeah, it feels like broken, but it isn't. If you guys got also an F800 GT, let me know in the comments if you got that also that wiggly, yeah, switch. But we're gonna mount it back on the bike. Come on over and we start. When you have taken this apart, be sure that those two cables for the heating in here, you can see them in there, not rubbing against this. You have to take this connector a bit upwards and push the wires underneath that connector. Otherwise they constantly rubbing against this bar. We slide it over carefully, and then we have the three connectors. The biggest one goes over there. Mind the notch. Click, that's one. Then we have this one. Oh, So, and then we have the one with from the wait a minute, and it has you have to look where the goes in like this. A screwdriver to push it in place. Wait a minute. Have a look. Yeah. Yep. Yes. Then we're gonna test it first. Well, that's easy. Put the bike on ignition. Okay. We have. Okay, that works. On that side that works too. Off works. Yeah! The horn works too. This one works too. Comfort norm. ISA. Then we have the info. Yes. Hazard lights works too. Beam on flashing works too. Guys, when putting on your grip heaters, be sure to start the engine, otherwise you can wait forever. I made that mistake. I think by my own beamer, but I'm not sure. It works without the engine running, but now I doubt it. But it works. It's nicely warm, so we move on. Maybe first put that cable back in. I'm gonna warm it up a bit so it becomes more flexible. Yes, this. Yeah. Not too much heat, just a bit. See, I can hold my hands in front of it, it's nicely warm. It's standing here in my shed for quite a while, but it's cold in here. So, to make it see, more flexible, tip. And yes, see, now everything is warmed up nicely. Okay, hop. And guys, let's see, it goes on like, okay, hop, yes, okay guys. Now, we're gonna look for that hole again. We take this bolt. Yes. Hop. Yes. Okay. Not too tight. Then we're gonna place that one back. Guys, this weight needs, wait a minute, up. This one needs to be torqued with 19 Newton meters. But gonna put a bit of medium strength Loctite to it. Just a tiny bit, just to be on the safe side. So it's Torx 45. Okay, my torque range, I'm gonna set it to 19. Oh, wait a minute, that's not there, old mechanic. That's over there. Yep. Okay, yes, then go back, turn it all the way back, then screw it in, and when you feel the drag, wait a minute, gonna do this a bit, so, and when you feel it's starting to go a tiny bit difficult, see, not a free play but a bit of drag, that's the place to hang it back in your shed. Now guys, that was my video how to disassemble the switch on the left side of a BMW F800GT, because there was this wiggling switch from the flashes, and it turns out it is a bit flimsy. There is nothing I can do with it. I didn't saw anything wrong with it. Nothing broke off, no springs were in there loose or whatever. It was a nice project to get the stuff out of each other and make a nice video for you. So if you like this video, consider a subscription. I would really appreciate that. And give me a thumbs up. Push the notification button. And for now, Old Mechanic out.